Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I'd like to share with you a 2018 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk, driven by a 60 horsepower Mercury command thrust motor. This is a tremendous little boat with gray gel coat color and designed for fishing with the trademark Unibond hull that makes Boston Whaler the unsinkable legend. You can see the white rubber rub rails have the upgraded stainless steel insert. Low profile rails are both at the stern and the bow. Has an interior live well. Bimini with black sunshade. And it also has a 2-speaker stereo system. Finally, at the bow, cushions allow for seating, as well as a built-in cooler holder, plenty of rod holders, and all of this cushion can easily be removed to make that a bow casting deck. If you'd like to learn more, discuss pricing and options, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.